Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to share with you a easiest way to learn English and speak confidently. You know, we all know a lot of English. From class 1, we had a compulsory English subject. That means for so many years, English has been with us. But still, we can't speak English. Example 1, reading but not speaking. Think about it. We can read English books, we can understand English movies, we can understand English songs, but we can't talk. Do you know why? Because we don't use English in our daily life. For example, we know the sentence, how are you? But we don't use the sentence in our real life. Example 2, knowing but not using. Let's talk another example. When we watch movies, we can understand many words. Suppose the hero say, don't worry, I am fine. We immediately understand it. But when we want to say the sentence in our real life, it's knowing how to ride a bicycle in theory but not in practical. You will never balance the bicycle until you practice. Example 3, writing but not speaking. Another situation is in school or college, we write English answers in exams, sometimes even very good ones. We know the grammar, we know the spelling, but in real life, when we meet a foreigner, we forgot everything because our brain trained to write, not to speak. Speaking is a skill like playing football. Example 4, think in mother tongue first. Here is one more example. Whenever we want to speak English, we first think in our mother tongue. Then try to translate one by one. This mistake make us slow and confused. For example, I wanna say I'm hungry. First I think in Bangla, আমার খিদা পেয়েছে. Then I translate. Solution. So my friend, solution is very simple. Practice. Speak small sentences every day. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Start with easy lines like I'm hungry, I'm happy, the food is tasty, let's go outside. If you practice those small sentences every day, you will slowly become confident. Thank you for watching. Let's start English practicing from today. No grammar, no cry. Thank you.